Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your midday market minute. If you didn't get the memo, the trade war is back on. The S&P started moving lower right before the electronic close, after the White House said they're going to release a list, which they did, of Chinese goods to implement $200 billion worth of tariffs. Now, this more than compensates for all the goods imported from the U.S. by China last year. So this brings some uncertainty. How is China exactly going to retaliate? But we did see pressure in the S&P overnight, trading down to 27.65. We have major three-star support at 27.63. So watch for that level. Below there is a key level, 27.57, and then another major three-star level, 27.45, 27.48. Below there, the selling could accelerate pretty quickly. But on the resistance side, 27.85.5 has held rallies this morning in check. That's a level we have in the Morning Express. So watch for that. The other thing we're watching here, though, is President Trump's trip to NATO last week. The market really liked the fact that there could be no tariffs on cars or autos between the EU and the U.S. Now, there's some shots fired on conversation from within NATO. Now, in Germany as well, by President Trump. So that friction, something to watch. If they walk back what was an olive branch on autos, the market would not like that. Moving on to crude oil, we had a big draw, more than 12 million barrels, but crude oil is lower. It's trading down into major three-star support around 72.30. Watch this level below there. We could open the door down to 70 bucks. That was extremely bullish read on the EIA report, but the trade tariffs, which is going to affect global growth, is hurting crude oil, copper, and all the other commodities. But crude has been dragging down and paying less attention to the EIA number. On top of that, yesterday, Secretary of State Pompeo said they're going to consider not imposing sanctions on certain countries, or they could be relief of sanctions from certain countries by importing Iranian crude in November. So watch out for that as well. It's probably dragging the market down just a bit. Lastly, gold moving down below 1250. We've talked about this. We like gold in this area. We think there's great long-term value at this level, but it's just not benefiting because the Chinese yuan is, again, it's weakened again today. It's down about 1.2 or 1.5% by now from the high of the week. So watch out for that. Gold's going to be weighed on the fact that the dollar strengthens against the yuan. Another way to maybe look for that safe haven trade is the Japanese yen. In the yen, there is a major three-star support level on a trend line dating back to December 2015. Watch for that level. Comes in just below 90. That would be a really good area of value to play the dollar short without having to worry about the Chinese yuan, as well as looking for that safe haven asset. Give us a call. We're here to talk about anything. 312-278-0500. You can email us info@bluelinefutures.com. Check our website for updates, as well as sign up for a free trial of our research. But remember, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Thank you.